If you have ever watched those old Magic Pencil TV shows where drawings come to life, this feels exactly like that. The Camin 3D pen. And look what we just did. We literally created a pair of goggles with it. I'm gifting this to my nephew, so let's do a quick unboxing to see what you actually get. I ordered it on Amazon for around 500 rupees and it came in this neat box with images of the pen on it. Inside, everything is tightly packed in plastic. First, we have the pen itself. Then, the charger, the old school pin type power source. There's a holder for the pen. And we get PLA filaments. These are biodegradable, 1.75 mm thick and melt at a low temperature of 190 to 220 degrees Celsius. That makes them safer for kids to handle. And of course, the instruction manual. Let's look at the pen closely. There's a small LCD display and control buttons. On top is the charging port. On the side, you get buttons to insert or remove filament. There's a speed control slider too. And finally, the nozzle where the melted filament comes out. Simple layout and it sits nicely on its stand. Time for a quick demo. We are plugging in the charger, connecting it to the pen, and the LED lights up immediately. We need to select the filament type, PLA or ABS. We are using PLA, which needs the lower temperature. Once the heating starts, you see the numbers rising. At around 190 degrees Celsius, the light turns green. That's a signal that it's ready. While it heats, we unpack the blue PLA filament. My nephew wants to make a pair of cool goggles. He has already drawn the shape in his notebook and he's going to trace it to bring it to life. We feed the filament through the port and press the button to roll it in. Then we adjust the speed slider. Melted filament starts coming out smoothly and we begin drawing. He's tracing the outer and inner layers of the frame on a simple piece of paper. It doesn't stick perfectly on paper, but it's manageable. He adds cross layering to make it stronger. Once that's done, he finishes the handles for the glasses. When everything cools, the whole frame lifts off the paper easily. It really does feel like the drawing just sprang to life. Now we attach the handles. We use the pen again, adding a little more filament like glue to secure the joints. The first layer bonds well and it's already looking amazing. Kids love going wild with creativity and he's adding little cat horn shapes now. I'm not sure what the inspiration is, maybe a superhero look, but it's turning out stylish. Next, he removes the blue filament. There's a button for that. He switches to yellow. It comes out greenish for a moment, then turns properly yellow. He covers the cat ear shapes, giving them a Batman meets cartoon look. And just like that, the goggles are done. This 3D pen is great for students, young creators, and anyone doing quick science projects. It's also a fun gifting option for nephews and nieces who love making things with their hands. So yes, if you want a simple, safe, low-cost creativity tool for kids, this is a solid pick. And thanks to Likit for guiding us through the demo.